Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will talk about how to get verified on Binance and how long does Binance verification take. So I suggest you to complete the whole video and watch it till the end and see how to get yourself verified at Binance Exchange. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. As of April 2021, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of the trading volume. Now, Binance has become a leading cryptocurrency exchange because it's accessible in several languages with a user-friendly layout, and it also allows processing at an enormous speed. You need to note that Binance verification time depends on various factors. Sign up process. First, you need to set up an account for using the exchange. Please visit Binance official website www.binance.com and click the register button on the top right hand side. On the registration page, please follow the on-screen instructions and insert the email address and password that you will use for your account. After reading the terms of understanding carefully, click on create account. Note, if you have been referred to register on Binance by a friend, make sure to fill in the right referral ID, which is optional. After clicking, the system will send a verification code to your email that will be valid for 30 minutes. So please log into your email box to check and enter the verification code in time. After entering the verification code, a page will appear to show that you have successfully registered. Note, for your own account security, make sure to enable two-factor authentication after you first log in. So, how long does Binance verification take? Duration for verification depends on how occupied the support workers are. So be sure to prepare beforehand if you intend to withdraw higher volumes, and ensure that this level is done before depositing and trading large amounts on exchange. Account verification can take a few days, maybe a week. You can sell without validation, but you will be restricted to 2 BTC per day. How to complete identity verification. Visit the Binance website and log into your account, then click User Center, and in that click on Identification. In the Identity Verification area, click Verify. After choosing the nationality, click on Start. Please ensure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Next, enter your personal information and then click on Continue. After finishing the basic verification, click on Advanced Verification to continue. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose a valid ID type according to the country your documents were issued. For most users, choose a passport, ID card, or driver license. After choosing an ID file, there will be two ways to verify your ID verification. First, take pictures. Second, upload files. For example, if you are using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front page and back page of your ID card. You can do it with your webcam or upload the document picture from your computer. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask to take a new photo to verify. Click the picture area to take the picture. Then click on Submit and continue. After clicking, the system will ask you to finish facial verification. Then click on Begin Verification to finish facial verification on the computer. Alternatively, you can also use a mobile phone to get the QR code. Now scan the QR code with Binance app to finish the facial verification. After completing the process, please wait with patience. Binance takes a while to review your data in a timely manner. Once your application has been verified, they will send you an email notification. Please be sure to complete the basic info and photo verification process within 15 minutes, and do not refresh the browser during the process. You may attempt to complete the identity verification process up to 10 times per day. And if your application has been denied 10 times within 24 hours, you will need to wait 24 hours to try again. Now some of the frequently asked questions. How long does it take for identity verification approval? Normally, the verification process takes less than 1 hour. However, automatic verification relies on third-party security services, so it may take 36 hours or more during peak time. Why should you provide supplementary certificate information? In rare cases, if a user selfie doesn't fit the provided ID documents, they will need to provide supplementary documents and wait for manual verification. Please note that manual verification may take several days. Please ensure that the materials you provide meet the requirements and wait patiently. Binance adopts a comprehensive identity verification service to secure all users' funds. So if it causes you inconvenience for a while, please understand. So if you are thinking of using Binance, here we are going to break down some of the essential aspects of this leading site to explore why millions of people worldwide choose it. Number 1. Limitations and liquidity. Any restrictions on cryptocurrency transactions by Binance are due to the degree of authentication and the mode of payment. If you have given the maximum amount of KYC paperwork and purchased using funds already deposited on the website, these restrictions will be eliminated. Liquidity relates to the ease with which an asset can be traded for cash without changing the value of the asset itself. Too much, the higher the liquidity, the more significant for users. Binance has the most increased liquidity in any cryptocurrency exchange. Number 2. Security and privacy. Being among the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, Binance is also known to be among most reliable. The exchange takes the safety and confidentiality of its users very carefully and has placed a range of protective tools, policies, and procedures to ensure complete protection. Exchange provides insurance to consumers named Secure Assets Fund for users. The business allocates 10% of its trading income to the fund to compensate for any damages sustained due to unexpected situations. The exchange provides two-factor encryption that guarantees an extra layer of protection for the user authentication process. The platform also provides more strengthened security measures such as biometric authentication. The exchange system utilizes encryption technologies such as PCI scanning and secure sockets layered encryption to transfer and preserve personal data. It's been also said that Binance saves the secret keys of its wallet in a protected, inaccessible location for hacker protection. The area of trading servers is often kept hidden to prevent physical compromises. Binance uses 256-bit SSL certificates to ensure that your link is not prone to man-in-the-middle attacks. Number 3. Binance Deposit Fees. Binance imposes no charges for deposits that offer it a competitive advantage. Binance Trading Fees. If you do not use BNB, that is the Binance coin, to pay your trading fees, each trade will carry a standard fee of 0.1%. Using BNB for transaction fees applies a discount to your trading fee. So by default, if you hold BNB in your account, your trading fees will be automatically subtracted from your BNB balance. Withdrawal fees. Withdrawal charges differ depending on the form of the coin was withdrawn. For instance, the withdrawal fee for BNB is 0.002 BNB, although for Bitcoin it is 0.0004 BTC. Binance also provides its customers cards that can charge up to 0.9% of transaction fees at both points of sale and ATM withdrawals. Final thoughts on how long does Binance verification takes? To this question, at last, I wanted to say that Binance is the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange with more than 15 million members worldwide. As such, there is no doubt of its legitimacy. With some of the highest liquidity possible, institutional grade valuation tools, and some of the industry's most favorable fees and incentives suggest a promising future for this platform's performance. Binance also emphasizes improved regulatory enforcement, which is not just beneficial for trading but also for the mass acceptance of cryptocurrencies in general. Here, we got to know how long does order on Binance verification take, which is the question that most of the traders are must have, as Binance is the most famous exchange available in the market. With an overgrowing catalog of crypto coins and tokens, Binance has made a considerable impact and will keep developing in the industry for decades to come. Thank you for keeping up till the end. Below, you will find my Binance referral link. Do click on that and register yourself. And for any other further question, please put it down in the comment section below.